In C, for loops continually run until a condition is false. Here in front of you, you can see the for loop has three main parts. The initialize step, which is int I equals 0, the condition, which is I less than 10, finally, the modify step, which is I++. What this code ends up doing is the int I equals 1 runs first and only once. Then it checks the condition if I is still less than 10. If so, then it runs the code inside the loop body, which in this case prints out the value of I. At the end of each run of the loop, I is incremented by 1, then the process repeats, and the condition of I being less than 10 is checked again. But this ain't your mama's C tutorial, so we're going deeper than that. You can have multiples of the initialize statement, the condition, or the increment statement. For instance, you could start an index at 0 and initialize the length of a string for the initialize statements. Then stop the for loop once the index value reaches the length of the string, and inside the for loop, print out each and every character of the string. Or you could want the loop to stop once I is greater than 5 and even, meaning, conversely, you want the loop to continue while I is less than or equal to 5, or I is odd. Just by my words right there, I've given you a giant hint. You can have multiple conditions in a for loop if you join them together with logical operators like AND or. So in this case, the loop doesn't stop until I is both greater than 5 and even, meaning it prints 0 through 5 because once I is incremented to 6, the condition is false and the loop stops looping. Like and subscribe to learn more.